In addition to the Selective Service Act of 2022, President Biden signed the Anti-Retreat Act to prevent the further loss of American territory. The Anti-Retreat Act establishes that each front must create penal battalions, which will be to the most dangerous areas of the front lines. The United States Army will create a blocking detachment that will shoot traitors and cowards that retreat. All steps forward, no steps back. Any military personnel that is court-martialed will automatically meet the criteria to a penal battalion. By dimensions that is regretful and brutal disorder may seem, this is the best course of action to turn the tides of this war and end it once and for all. Let the courage of your ancestors that fought in previous wars inspire you today. This message will be retransmitted in 5 minutes.
message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of the Army. At approximately 8:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Chinese and Russian military forces established air superiority in this region. The following areas are subjected to bombing runs within the next 10 minutes. Memphis, Tennessee, Germantown, Tennessee, and Bartlett, Tennessee. If you are within a 10-mile radius of these areas, seek underground shelter now. If your place of residence has a basement, relocate yourself to it. Do not hide in a room on ground level, as it will minimize your chances of survival. If you have access to a bomb shelter, go to it immediately. Prepare a kit of necessities such as non-perishable food, water, medical supplies, toiletries, and a hand-cranked radio. Tune your AM dial to 870 AM to get news
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. Arkansas, at 10:14 p.m. on March 7, 2023, effective until 3:14 am. Message from IPOSCAP. The United States Department of the Army has issued a civil danger warning for Arkansas. At 10:14 p.m., the United States Air Force detected a flight of multiple bomber formations consisting of two pull of Tu-95s with escort fighters from the Russian Air Force. Due to the current situation with the ongoing Battle of Memphis, you are to shelter in place. Seek the lowest level of your home with a hand-crank radio. These bombers are expected to target military and civilian infrastructure in the state. It is believed that these areas will be hit within the next 10 minutes. General Dynamics Armament in Canton, Arkansas. Zip code 71701. Lockheed Martin Operation Facility Highland Industrial Park in Canton, Arkansas. Zip code 71701. Little Rock Air Force Base in Jacksonville, Arkansas. Zip code 72076. Arkansas National Guard Installment in West Memphis, Arkansas. Zip code 72301. Arkansas National Guard Installment in Harrisburg, Arkansas. Zip code 72432. Arkansas National Guard Installment in Parrot, Arkansas. Zip code 72450. Arkansas National Guard Installment in Batesville, Arkansas. Zip code 72501. Arkansas National Guard Installment in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Zip code 72653. Arkansas National Guard Installment in Warren, Arkansas. Zip code 71671. Bill and Hillary Clinton National Airport in Little Rock, Arkansas. Zip code 72202. Northwest Arkansas National Airport in Bentonville, Arkansas. Zip code 72712. This includes the cities east of Little Rock on Interstate 40 and cities north of West Memphis on Interstate 55. Do not attempt to evacuate east. Doing so will put your life in extreme danger. The Memphis, Arkansas bridges on Interstate 40 and Interstate 55 have been destroyed in an air raid. This message will repeat until there is more information about this event.
Interrumpimos nuestra programación. Hace poco tiempo hubo una explosión de proporciones nucleares en el Canal de Panamá. La Fuerza de Defensa de Panamá ha informado de una pérdida sustancial de vidas en la zona. Todos los ciudadanos que reciban esta transmisión deben buscar un refugio contra lluvia radioactiva lo antes posible. Gracias.
We interrupt our programming. A short time ago, there was an explosion of nuclear proportions in the Panama Canal. The Panama Defense Force has reported a substantial loss of life in the area. All citizens receiving this transmission should seek a fallout shelter as soon as possible. Thank you.
Good morning, this is CNN live from Atlanta. We have some massive news to report. Just a few minutes ago, the Pentagon confirmed the detonation of a nuclear device next to the Panama Canal. This nuclear device was set off remotely by an American stealth submarine. The Panama Canal is now rendered useless. This means that the Shanghai Pact reinforcements will be significantly delayed, as they will have to go around South America. It isn't known if Russia or China will launch retaliatory strikes. We have heard nothing out of Beijing or Moscow. We will continue to monitor this event. In other news, Chinese military forces have entered Union City, just about 20 miles away from our CNN headquarters building in Atlanta, nearly 30 minutes away from us. This indicates that they are near Interstate 20 going through Atlanta. Anyone near this area should evacuate now. We are also getting unconfirmed reports that Chinese forces have entered South Fulton, another one of the Atlanta surrounding areas. At any moment, you can expect us to go off the air. Should the station go off the air, make sure to have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio ready.
This will be the station's final broadcast. The 48th Infantry Brigade combat team attempting to control Highway 29 to Atlanta has sustained major casualties and is now considered combat ineffective. The invaders are entering the city without any obstacles in their way. Caution. This station in a few moments will not be American. It will be Chinese, and it will broadcast lies. Do not listen to it. Our war will continue, and it will be continued until the final victory. Long live the great state of Georgia, and may God bless our troops.